If you're facing issues with your Roku TV's Wi-Fi, such as Wi-Fi not working at all, it says unable to connect and shows some error codes, it keeps disconnecting, or maybe you're connected but it still says no connection, then in this guide I'll show you all the possible fixes that I've gathered from the Roku community, and I'm sure this will help you too. So let's get your Roku TV's Wi-Fi fixed. Before getting into the troubleshooting, first you need to make sure that your TV is close enough to your router. After that, we will cold boot both our TV and our router. For that, you can simply unplug them from power and wait for around 3 to 5 minutes before plugging them back in. And after both of the devices are powered on properly, on your TV you need to go to Settings, then go to System, Advanced System Settings, then Network Connection Reset. After doing this, we will reconnect to your Wi-Fi, so make sure that you have your Wi-Fi password. So let's press Reset and let our TV restart. After the restart, we will head back to Settings, choose Network, set up connection, and connect to your Wi-Fi network again. This time you should be able to connect to your Wi-Fi without any issues, and it should start working perfectly. Also, you need to note that if your router supports dual band, then sometimes your TV may not be able to connect to your 5G network. In that case, connect to the 2.4G instead. If it's still not fixed, then next we will try to disable the network ping, and for some users this has worked. And to disable it, we need to open the secret settings page. For that, grab your Roku TV remote again, press the home button 5 times, then press the forward button, play pause button, backwards button, play pause button again, and finally the forwards button. So let's do it quickly together, and it will take us to the platform secret screen. And from there we will go to System Operations menu, select Network menu, highlight Disable Network Pings, and press OK. It should say Enable Network Pings. Then we'll press the home button again to exit from this menu, and now any disconnection issues you are having should be resolved. If you're still having issues, then we will go through some more system settings. So let's go to Settings, System, then we'll go to Time and make sure you have selected the correct time zone. If it's selected to set automatically, then you need to select Set Manually and then choose your correct time zone. Next we will check if Bandwidth Saver is turned on. Sometimes it may cause issues with your Wi-Fi connection. So from the settings page, this time we will go to Network and then select Bandwidth Saver. By default, it will be turned on, so just simply turn it off and then see if the issue is fixed. Are you still having issues? Then try connecting your TV to a different Wi-Fi network, such as a mobile hotspot. If your TV is able to connect to other Wi-Fi or hotspot, then you can try changing your router's Wi-Fi channel. And you also need to note that old routers may not be compatible with your Roku TV, so consider upgrading your router. After following all these steps, if your TV's Wi-Fi is still not working properly, then as a last resort, you can try resetting your TV to factory default, or you can contact customer support beforehand. And meanwhile, if your TV has an Ethernet port, you can try a wired connection to use internet on your Roku TV. And that's all for this video. If this was helpful, make sure to let us know which step worked, and I'll see you around.